So you can see just how bad it is to start. I mean, this is right in your face when you're driving down the road, especially with the window down. Just got a regular office stapler here. Shit, there you have it, redneck upholstery work. And a beer or two later, this is the end result. It is not beautiful, but neither am I. It is functional, however. All right, so today Joy and I are gonna try the 3 most common methods I can find to fix this headliner. Let's see what works best. The spray, the thumbtacks, probably not, or staple. And the spray will be easy for this side because we can get under and behind it. Maybe we'll try some of the other methods on that side where it's not actually coming off the edge yet. And I thought about just ripping it out, but then I figured that foam will start coming out slowly over time. So even if it bleeds through, it'll probably be nicer than having the foam fall on your head for the rest of your life. And I also grabbed some scrapers and a timer because we're going to want to let that glue get hard for about 5 minutes. Or not hard, but sticky or tackier. If you try and put it up too quick, it won't work as good. All right, let's shake it up. Don't know if you can see behind that headliner, maybe. And I'm gonna try and get both surfaces, not only the surface above, but this threadbare headliner. That's definitely gonna bleed through. If this was a nicer car, you'd want something to block this stuff from getting on anything. All right, let's throw another coat at it. Maybe I'll give it 4 minutes this time before I start trying to stick it up there. It's started pouring down rain, so y'all scoot over. I'm gonna come do it in here where it's less wet. Maybe start with a line down the middle. And this stuff's just falling down. Oh, got some wrinkles there. Oh, fuck. This stuff's really coming apart on me here, but it's working. That's kind of working. It's important to resist the urge to immediately do it because then it bleeds through more, I think. Well, we're not exactly getting professional level results here, but we're getting some results, that's for sure. Let's see if I can pull it down and show you again how I did this. No, I guess not. But it was the same as before, just using that knife to work it that away. See if we can do something about all this. Yeah. You caught me. Wasn't completely patient. All right, so we tried the glue method on this driver's side, and that did it. Let's try the staple method on this passenger side. See if that works any good. Just got a regular office stapler here. Shit, there you have it. Redneck upholstery work. All right, so my buddy tried the thumbtack method, and that seems to work pretty good. How would you rate your experience with the thumbtack method?
It's a solid 2.
Out of
fall out.
Wait, a 2.
And then you sit on them.
Oh, so you want it?
The only ones that stay are these ones over there.
Roger. So 2 out of 10 would not suggest that. Okay, roger that. And this is the end result. It is not beautiful, but it is functional. It is not in our face, and we can go drive in the woods and have a good time. Hell yeah, let's send it. Those of y'all who are following along on the journey, that was beer number 200 on my way to completing the Escape Power Sports 1000 Beers of How-To Videos challenge. So if you enjoyed learning about this quick, cheap fix, I'd encourage you to join the 3 to 4% of viewers who subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the money and time-saving videos and cool projects up at this mountaintop compound. I'll be covering over those next 800 beers. I'd like to welcome you if you're new to the channel. I'm Danny with Escape Power Sports. I really want to thank y'all for watching, and as always, we'll see y'all on the trails.